Well, guys, I don't know how to start this vlog today. Basically, recently we lost a pilot, and the best part of it really is that so glad that my daughter is actually fine in the process. Sarah has been driving the pilot as she started driving now. I haven't gotten her car yet, so I figured I will, you know, have her use the pilot, and I'm just so glad that she did, and glad that she's actually been driving an SUV for the past months. So, anyways, guys, to make the story short, we lost the pilot. Thank God Sarah's fine. You know how I love that pilot, guys, and how I've actually taken care of that car from day one. We owned this car since day one, since the kids were babies, and the plan was to truly keep this car for life. And indeed, I kept it for life. And so I am just, overwhelmed here a little bit. But, bottom line, I'm very happy that my daughter's fine. And that's the most important thing. And I'm so glad that she's driving the pilot, because the pilot is a solid car. It's a tank. And literally what kept her alive, and that kept her safe. So anyways, guys, I don't know how I truly would like to, give you this news. It's not something that I would normally would be doing in a case of this channel, and that I figured I'd share this information to you to have sort of an awareness to this situation. And someone hit my daughter, and they were driving in the wrong direction, and they're in the influence of alcohol. We heard just a few days ago that the other driver was already charged for drunk driving, and so lucky that my daughter was so quick, didn't panic at all, and was able to veer to the right a little bit, and was able to almost dodge the situation, or else it would have been a head-on. It would have been a head-on collision. It was at night. It was dark, in an unlighted highway, and it basically, she saw the light coming towards her, but as being a new driver, even me, it would play a trick on myself if I would see a headlight coming towards me without any other cars going on the other side, other lane. It would be kind of hard to know if it's really, is that on my lane or is it on the other lane? It's going to be hard. But anyways, by the time she figured out that it's coming towards her really fast, she was able to veer to the right and almost dodge it. And you guys will see the pilot. I'll show you the video after the moment, after half an hour or so, or even 15 minutes after this happens, because my daughter called us. I rushed to the scene right away, and it's a horrible scene, guys. So anyways, I'll show you the clip when the whole situation was unfolding, and I was there about 15 minutes after or so. Here it goes. My God, I'm so glad that my daughter's fine, Sarah's fine, but all the debris is basically parts from the pilot. Oh my God, my pilot's gone. The pilot's gone, guys. Horrible situation here. I just can't believe it. The pilot is totaled, guys. The pilot is totaled now. I'm gonna take some photos. No, I know. I'm so glad that my daughter's fine. Guys, there's the pilot. Sad ending for the pilot. That's horrible. God didn't deserve. Definitely. Been an amazing car for us. Sarah almost dodged the whole thing. My rims, they're all shattered. Yeah.
Oh, that's what the airbag looks like. The airbag's really
Wow. Everything is wrecked. So this is the car that hit Sarah. It has one of those?
No.
Okay. So it's a CRV actually, so Honda to Honda basically. And
She's lucky that both of you are alive. Yeah.
well, you know, she saved both their lives because if she didn't veer on the side, it would have been head on, basically, because she didn't move an inch. She was right on in front of her, and she was on the right lane, and she was in the left lane at the end because she tried to go this way.
Yeah, we had another one come in, same kind of thing. Person was on drugs or something and hit the lady head on with her 2-year-old in the back and a dog in there. I was like, oh my God, not the dog.
Some Trulies in there.
A what?
There's literally Trulies in there.
What's
There's-
Trulies?
Those are coolers. Yeah, there's coolers in there.
Coolers? Oh, look at that. She was drinking, even driving.
Coolers in there.
Look at the coolers and beers that she's drinking. Even in the back.
Yeah, there's more in the back too.
Can you imagine she crawl out of here on her own?
Yeah.
So this is the CRV that hit Sarah head on.
There's more back here.
What was she drinking?
Holy smokes. Well, I really hope that she has an insurance. So
I don't understand.
yeah, that's right. But she was already charged. They said she was charged. I was hoping I can see if there's an insurance thing there, but it's empty. She must have grabbed it. Well, guys, in memory of the pilot, we got its grill behind me here. Pretty much the upper grill and the lower grill, and the good old fog light that we have installed by Oxito. And yeah, anyways, guys, we will be putting this up in the wall somewhere here in the garage. I'm not sure exactly where yet, but we'll be hanging it over along with its the plate number. And so yeah, just to honor the pilot a little bit there. So anyways, guys, from the bottom of my heart, thank you again, everyone, for your support and for being with the channel for the longest time. And I know that the pilot was one of the biggest hit in the channel, and we'll definitely miss the amount of views we get and the amount of how-tos we were able to do with the pilot. And I'm glad that I was able to share some of that service and repairs that I've done on the Pilot, and that you guys have enjoyed and actually learned from and save money from. Peace out.